Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jay, back with another video. This time around I got another sneaker unboxing. For this one here, we got one of the, I think 6 of the on Air Maxes that just dropped. Let's hop right into it. I'll look around the box. We got the on Air up top. This pair here, 11.5, Nike Air Max 97 on Air GS. I think that's the initials of the guy's name who designed it, Guang Shin or Shin Guang. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Nike Air on the other side, or Nike on the other side. Let's hop into it and check these boys out. This particular pair is the Neon Seoul pair of the 97s. Open the box. We got some Korean writing, I guess, with Nike right there. Check that out. Got Seoul, Korea right there. We got Seoul, Paris, Tokyo. That's a few of the names of the other Air Maxes that came out. London. Some of those on the paper. That's a cool little touch. We go right into it. We go right here. Neon Seoul 97s. Take a look around real quick. Let me get them both out the box and we can take a closer look. Alright, now we got them both out the box. We're going to take a closer look at each shoe. Here's the right one. Got Nike on the Nike symbol on the eyelid. One blue, one red. That's a nice touch. On this one, we got Nike on the tongue. On the left one, we got Seoul on the tongue there. We got a mostly black upper with the blue and red pinstripe type, neon type, going all the way around the shoe with the big oversized Nike symbol right there. I think that's reflective too. On the bottom, I think this one red, this one blue. Cool little touches throughout the shoe like that. Let me know what y'all think about these, man. I really wanted the Shanghai. Really want the Shanghai boy. I couldn't get those out of the two. Between these two, I really want the Shanghai, but I ended up getting these, which I'm satisfied with. I could have got nothing like a lot of people probably did. So I'm satisfied with that, you know. A couple other things inside. Got the Nike swoosh with some other neon type signage from Seoul, Korea. The guy said it was based off his inspiration from the nightlife in Seoul, with it being mostly dark with the black upper here with the neon lights everywhere in the capital city. So that's pretty cool. Got Seoul on the inside of this one. Alright, man, let's get these boys on feet real quick and see how they look on feet. Let's get it. Hey y'all, that's it. That's the Air Max 97 Neon Soul Air Max on air. Let me know what y'all think about these or any of the other ones that came out in the pack. Comment, like, subscribe. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next.